Hi guys, it's your girl on your best and you're welcome to today's tutorial. So we are going to be toning this 6-13 week, alright? And I'll be using a different shampoo. Mind you, it is still a purple shampoo, but it is not the most popular shimmer lights that we all know. Okay, I'll be using the BB shampoo for this tutorial. So I'm going to be putting the BB shampoo into a hot water, okay? It depends. So people like it warm, okay, but I like it this way. It is hot, okay, but not scorching hot. It's hot. Let's just say it's hot, okay? So I'm going to put it into the water and I'm going to stir, okay? If I'm stirring and I feel it is not thicker enough, I feel I want it to be more purple enough, okay? Because right now I'm not okay. You see that the purple shampoo has disappeared, okay? It's like the water is still kind of white, okay? So I'm going to add more purple shampoo till I feel I'm okay with it, and then I'm going to stir again, and I'm going to allow this wick to sit for 10 minutes and then I will bring it out from the water. All right, so let me leave you so you watch till the end. All right, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye bye.